Yuhan, parang tubig lang sa first. Oh, papalakasan ng inom.
Yeah.
Grabe ta. So, it was the time na nagsuka din ako. Na, tinanong ako ni Big Brother na, first time mo ba na magsuka? And they're like saying, oh, Kathy, you're so cute. So cute daw na nagsuka ako. Sabi nila na they're used to it and then mas wild pa yung ginagawa nila. It's really funny. Suka ako, Yuhan. Nakakaya. Ganito yung sink nila. Yeah, dalawa. Napuno ko yung first na sink kasi maliit.
Malakas ka sumuka. Lahat ng kinain mo, sinuka mo.
Lahat ng kinain ko ng time na yun, sinuka ko. After ng suka ko, Yuhan, tinawag ako ni Big Brother. Kathy, how are you feeling right now? I was like, oh, Big Brother, I'm sorry. Big Brother, I'm so tipsy and I was like throwing up and blah, blah, blah. Ano daw ang na-realize ko sa pagsuka ko at pag-inom ko? Tinanong ako, sabi ko, kailangan ko i-control talaga yung, ayoko hindi na ako inom ng 2 glasses of wine. There are really times na parang magsisisi ka sa mga ginagawa mo. It's really fun.
Pero masaya din minsan.
Pero yung pagsuka ko, hindi ko sinisiyan nila. Wow!
Hirap sumuka.
Yeah.
Pero minsan sarap uminom minsan.
And then, some people are happy din to get wasted, diba?
Oo.
Sometimes nakakatakot.
Pero minsan nagiging vices nila.
Oo, pero yung effect kasi, when you're so drunk, you can be so wild, and hindi mo na makontrol yung mga ginagawa mo. That's a bad thing. That's why I don't really wanna do it. So, hindi ko pa alam kung ano ako if sobrang lasing na.
Sumusuka.
Yung time na yun, I asked Esa, baka may nakalimutan ako eh. Baka may nasabi akong, weird or
nasty.
Or nasty and naughty. And then sinabi ko, when I woke up, Yuhan, sabi ko talaga agad kay Esa, siya lang yung hindi uminom, diba? Sabi niya, Kathy, ako yung una kasing natulog. Sabi niya, Kathy, you shouldn't have slept that early. Kasi hindi mo nakita yung mga iba pang mga pangyayari and all. May mga nabasag na ng mga baso, may nasugatan. Pagising ko yung sahig, may mga blood na. May mga blood. Kay auntie pala yun na ano dito. Tapos dito. It's like scattering all over the floor yung blood. Tapos tinanong ko, ano nangyari? How was I last night? Nung uminom ako, sabi niya, oh, you were so cute. You didn't really do anything while you just threw up. Then, okay, I just threw up. Yung iba, okay, they're dead. It's fun. Sobrang saya talaga. Tutuwa lang ako. And every time na pupunta kami...
Crazy sila dun, sobrang...
Crazy, yeah. But they have good hearts, yung
Parang everyday, laging ay na pinagagawa na. First na pumunta ka dun, kundi puro everyday is alcohol, drinking, parang vices. Lahat ng pinagagawa nila dun.
And then they were so happy nung nag-snow. Tinawag nila ako yung nanood kami ng movie that time. Nanood kami ng movie yung Jackass. And then, sa Jackass movie yung there was like snowing kasi it was about finding Santa Claus. Yung hinahanap nila si Santa Claus sa Finland. Yun yung thought sa movie. After, I think malapit nang mag-end yung movie. Sa labas, it was raining snow. Sumigaw sila, they were like jumping, Kathy, labas ka, may snow sa labas, may snow. First time ko nakakita ng snow para akong bata, Yuhan. Oh, may snow, it's my first time. Sobrang tuwa nila yun, sabi nila, first time nilang nakakita ng tao na first time pag nakakita ng snow. Okay, ako naman, parang bata why would I lie? It was my first time. I was so happy. Yung like, oh, snow. Hinawakan ka talaga. And I was like waiting na nadadami. Tapos makamake ako ng snowball, gano'n.
So magdamag ka na sa labas?
Hindi, madali lang mag-ano yung height.
Wala
madali
kagad?
lang magdami. It's like, parang siyang, cotton lang. Small. Lalo na pag malaki-laki yung, snow. So, madaling ma-occupied ng snow yung floor. And we were like, sliding and running. Grabe. It's really fun. Snowball fight. masakit din yun, Johan. Tinamaan ako sa mukha.
Malaki naman lang.
Oo, masakit din.
Kapag malaki na, tumigas na.
Oo. So, mas matigas pa. Double siguro yung ano niya. Yung head, yung weight.
Siguro kasi tigas ng baso.
Ha?
Ayun ng basong ganyan.
Ay, hindi. Parang good enough ba to feel a little pain. And then, first ng snowball fight, parang natatakot sila na tamaan ako. Sabi ko, please, hit me. I wanna try. Nung time na yun, okay, tinapunan lang ako ng snowball. It's fun. It's fun. My first time. Kasi parang it was like a long, parang life and childhood dream talaga ba na sana naman makakita ko ng snow in person, diba? Like, talaga, I was like thinking about it. I wanna feel snow, anong feeling, anong dating. Yun.
Nibunta ka uli ng Finland.
Masyadong mahal siguro pag pupunta doon.
Oh, mahal.
But they promised they're gonna come here and gusto nilang ma-meet yung mga housemates dito sa Philippines. And they're gonna find me and us in Facebook. Yeah, gusto nilang mag-shopping dito. Sobrang mahal kasi doon. Parang mga stall lang sa street. Sobrang mahal.
Mas mura dito. Taas. Pero ang taas din kasi ng pera nila.
Ha?
Taas din ng ano nila. Ng value ng money nila.
Yeah. So good
so,
for
kapag pumunta sila dito, talagang
sila yung mag-enjoy talaga. Pero tayo, pag pupunta doon, okay, wala lang, hanggang sa ano lang tayo.
Makakita lang na snow.
Okay.
Pag-aabang lang makakita ng snow. Okay.
Yeah. It's really fun. Can't imagine. It's so nice there.
Gising na sila.
Yeah. I was really, alam mo, I was surprised by their attitudes and all talaga. They have good hearts. Last na sinabi ko sa kanila is, yung statement na, even if we're different people, even if you live in a small country, Finland is small, and me too, I live in a small country, Philippines, but we have big hearts. Sinabi ko talaga sa kanila, like crying, oh, buddy, you're gonna miss me. Sobrang saya kasi nila.
Doon lang, that day lang kayo? Or tingin mo everyday lagi silang ganun?
Everyday, Johan, my
sobrang ano pala ng Big Brother, ng nila.
Loko-loko yung, kuku yung Big Brother nila doon. Kuku talaga. And they can do everything. Parang, like us, di ba? Hindi ako naghuhubad sa CR, di ba? Kasi alam natin na may camera at makikita yung iba kahit hindi ipakita sa buong Pilipinas. Sila, tinanong ko, why are you naked when you go to the bathroom? Diba? May cameras. Parang, ang iniisip nila na it's their home. Na, I don't care about the cameras, and then I don't care if people see me naked. Sinasabi nila na, okay, kahit makita pa yan sa YouTube or kahit saan, okay, ganun lang yun.
Ano nakalagay na Big Brother Finland? Hindi. Ano nakalagay na sa
Big Brother? May symbol, not like us na parang Pinoy Big Brother double up. Yung ganyan nila,
Big Brother.
It's an eye. May symbol sila, it's an eye.
Big Brother?
No, walang name. Pero Big Brother lang. Big Brother lang talaga. Walang name. It's an eye lang, green eye. Tapos yung eye, yung O sa brother, bali yung eyeball. But it's only that, the O, the center O. And it's just an eye. Walang print na Big Brother. It's a green eye.
Logo lang siya.
Logo lang. Yeah. Pero yung mga staffs nila, ano lang, BB lahat. Like yung bag na black ko, BB, it's like Big Brother. Yung t-shirt ko na, yung sleeveless, yun yung symbol din nila. Ikaw, so far, you having so much fun here sa bahay?
Extraordinary experience.
Extraordinary experience.
Can do it. anything you want. But, yeah,